Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of HTML at my channel Coding World for Beginners. Hope you are liking my videos. If you are liking my videos, then please do share, like and subscribe. And if you are new to my channel, then you should know that I have uploaded some of the videos and made a Python playlist. So I just upload the videos consistently. So you can just go and refer to that videos. You can just tap to the above I button and just get the playlist. Okay, so let's start today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is basically based on some basic tags of HTML. Okay, some basic tags. See, this is the basic framework for writing our HTML code. Okay, we'll just give the title heading actually basic concepts. Okay, and in body we'll just should know actually that there are for heading there are 6 tags for heading. Okay, and we'll just see what are the differences between them. Okay, we'll just see. I'll just show you in few minutes. Just wait for a minute. H3, H1 tag, then H2 tag. Okay, and then H3 tag, and then comes H4. Okay, then come H5, and then come H6. Okay, and now we'll just save this file and we'll just open in browser and see what is the difference. See, what's the difference? The size of each heading tag gets decreases. See, this is the H1 tag. Sorry, this is the H1 tag, which is the most, this is the most biggest one. Okay, and H6 is the most smallest. So it all differs on their basis of their size. So the difference is basically their sizes. Okay, now we'll just discuss something about center tag. Okay, in last class I have already used it, but now you should know what are center tag. For example, if I just write center over here, and at last I just mention center. Okay, so this is the closing tag, this is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. Okay, and now I'll just save and again open it in browser. See, actually the center tag aligns all the things in the center, at the center. Whatever things is written in between center tag are aligned automatically to the center. Okay, now we'll just remove all this. Actually, we'll just remove all this and we'll just know what is BR tag. That also I have used in the last tutorial, but today I'll tell you something about BR tag. See, BR tag BR tags are break line tags. Okay, they basically breaks the line. Okay, BR tags are also known to be empty tags. Okay, so what are empty tags? Actually, see, every tag, whatever you are using has an opening tag and a closing tag. This also have an opening tag and then closing tag. Opening tag, closing tag. But empty tag are those tags which don't have the closing tag. Basically, BR is one of them. For example, I just write, this is Preeti. Okay, hope you are liking my videos. Okay, and just I save it and I just open in browser. I haven't used BR tag. Okay, see, I haven't used BR tag, but if I use BR tag, I'm just in the same line, I'll just use BR and I'll just close it, and I'm not giving any closing tags. Okay, I'll just save the file, I'll just go to the browser and refresh. Okay, see, what's the difference? It just broke my line, where I have, this is Preeti, and after this, see, after this is Preeti, I have just initialized the break line tag, and then we just wrote, hope you're liking my videos. And see, the line got broken. Okay. So the thing is that BR is called an empty tag because it doesn't have any closing tag. Wherever you will just put it, it will just break the line. That it is as simple as that. Okay. Now we'll just discuss something more. We'll just know about bold tag. Okay. We'll just say coding world for beginners. Okay. And we'll just close it. Okay. First of all, let me just show you how it looks, without the tab. Okay. How it looks without the tab. Open in browser. See. Okay, I'll just give a break line over here also so that it can be clear. Let me give two break lines. Okay. And I'll just save. See. Coding world for beginners. I haven't used any tab. Now I'll use bold tab. Okay. B stands for bold. Okay. I'll just use B and just close the tab over here. I'll save it. Just move on and I'll just refresh. Okay. See, my each, wait, let me close the previous outputs. My each, whatever I have written in between that bold tag, all got bold. Okay. Now if I'll just replace it with I. Okay. And I'll save and I again go to the browser and I just refresh. See, I stands for italic. It all converted into italic. And if I just put one more tag, U over here, okay? And we'll just give U, okay? And we'll just close here, okay? See, one more tag U is there and we'll just go to the here and we'll just refresh. See, underline. U stands for underline. It underlined the text, whatever I have written in between that. So these are some of the basic tags we use for HTML. Guys, for styling also in my next tutorials, I'll surely tell you about how to set the background colors and those things, how to set the links, hyperlinks and everything. But see, HTML, it is a misinterpretation that only learning HTML will let you design a web page. Designing is much more than that, but it is easy, don't worry. After just a few more tutorials, 4 or 5 tutorials, I'll switch the playlist to CSS, that is cascading style sheets, that I used for just designing your web pages, making nice layouts for your web pages, websites. So it is very much important for learning CSS and HTML both, just to design a layout for your web page. Okay, so HTML is quite not enough to design a web page and to do styling. Actually, every other thing you can do with HTML, but for styling purpose CSS is used. So I'll switch to that playlist also after few tutorials, 4 or 5, because I'll just explain the basics of HTML and then you'll learn on your also everything. I'll just tell you each and every basic concepts of HTML. So hope you're liking my videos, guys. If you're liking my videos, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my tutorial.